Hi, my name is Aik Boon. I run DewTouch and I am the founder of this company. DewTouch is a company that specializes in automotive enterprise solution, right? And we help customers to manage their business, especially in car rental, part sales, and workshop management. Today, Fleetnetics is a very sophisticated and comprehensive system that has hundreds of modules. We have developed it over the last 6-7 years. It comprises of over 3 million lines of code. We have so many different requirements from the customers from day one, be it from a small one-man show to somebody who is huge with 50, 60, 70 staff. The modules, the requirements are all different. However, we managed to put them all into one system, and we can turn on and off the modules by settings so that it can fit hopefully everyone. So traditionally, if you buy a automotive solution, let's say if you are running a workshop, you would only have a solution that is meant for workshop. If you happen to expand your business and you want a car rental system, most likely you will have to get a second system, and the two systems won't talk to each other. For us, we happen to put them all into one system, which means today you can run a workshop. Tomorrow, if you want to run a rental business, yes, you can just turn on the module and you will be in, and you will go into a single accounting system, right? So there's no need for 3 or 4 systems, separate systems, but only one system. So I think that's the key benefit, and this is the real difference between us and any of our competitors out there. Apart from that, our solution is also very hybrid, as in it can be on premise, it can be on the cloud. We have customers who ask us for that, and we can still customize it further for many other requirements, right? So like recently we have clients who ask us to build a system that can manage 50,000 line items in a single record, which our original system couldn't handle, and now we can do that. And as you can see, it continues to evolve and evolve. We hope to be a global player and global leader in the automotive software, and hopefully we hope that there will be a lot of users globally who uses our system. We know that in ASEAN, in order for solutions to work, most likely you have to localize in different languages, and today we have Bahasa, we have Thai language, we have Vietnamese. So one of the key directions we want to do in the near future is to localize Fleetnetics to the local language. In this region, there are many ERP systems, but to solutions that cater to automotive sector are very rare and very niche, very rare. So we are one of the key guys who understand the market well, and this is where I think we can share how new businesses model can be created. So apart from the traditional business, the new business model, we will assist our client to review, look at them. So we are not just selling a solution, but we also become partners with our customers. We explore new things to do together, and this is where we are very different from a traditional IT company. We don't just sell a solution, but again, as I say, we evolve together with the customers. We put ourselves in our customers' shoes. We also will try to find business for our customers by looking for new ideas and implement into our system, so that our customers can find business, so it becomes win-win for all.